How to export Illustrate AI creations for commercial use. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can export Illustrate AI creations for commercial use. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is head over to this Design Bundles Illustrate AI. So you'll find this website right here. Whenever you type in Design Bundles Illustrate AI, tap on this. After you tap on it, it will take you to this website where you can tap on Create with Illustrate AI. After you tap on it, it'll take you to Illustrate AI's workspace where you can then give it a text prompt. So just give it a text prompt, and after you give it a text prompt, you can choose the art style. If you tap on it, you can see multiple art styles available. You can select any one of those and also an image count. After you select image count and everything here, you can then tap on the create option. After you tap on the create option, the AI will start creating illustrations from Illustrate AI. So let it do its thing. So after it creates your image, what you can do to export it is simply hover over the image that you like. Then tap on the download button. Tap on download and it will start publishing your design. Now, after it starts publishing your design, it will download your image after it's done. There you can see it's been downloaded. Let me open this up. And there we go. Now, after you've downloaded the image, you can use it for your commercial use. And that is basically it, guys. That's how you export Illustrate AI creations for your commercial use. You can also edit this if you want to from here. You'll see the edit button. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.